There are thousands of music genres on this planet, but we as music producers like to stick to the kind of music we like. But today, I step out of my comfort zone and I will try 5 different genres I usually don't make, and we will see how good or bad the results will be. You can download all of these projects in this video with all the presets and samples for free. Link in the description. The first genre I try to make will be FONK. A super dark and melodic combination of Memphis rap and Russian hard bass. The most essential instrument for that genre is a cowbell sound. I like this one. The melody has to be dark. It wouldn't be a real funk beat without Memphis vocals like this.
Top rope, DDT, power slammed and cram my foot in.
I put in this one.
Top rope, DDT, power slammed and cram my foot.
Now we need a strong sub bass line. Very hard drums now. That's good, but to fill out the track I add percussion loops and vinyl cracks. Okay, almost finished, but to give it even more character, we sample Big Smoke from San Andreas. And guys, let's listen to the final result. Okay, now let's move on to techno. To create the nostalgic character we need a vocal that reminds us of the good old days. Yes, that's good. Techno is very fast. So I raise the BPM to 152. What is essential about techno is the hard and fast beat that encourages you to rave. Yes, that's exactly what I meant. Now we need a plucky bass line that is very hard sidechained. I created these preset here and it fits perfectly. To reinforce the nostalgia aspect, I add very detuned synth chords and then a very digital sounding fast piano. And people, our techno track is ready. Let's hear it.
I am the one break me, start me up and let's begin. I am the one take me now, running with whips and I'm on the prowl.
Show you another side of me, a side you never thought you would see. Tell somebody dominate you till you had enough.
I need you like a wild star.
Okay, let's continue with the trap beat that should be perfect for rapping. In order to make a hard trap beat we need to make the melody sample first. I am thinking of taking a nice pizzicato string and making an unusual melody like this. Now I take gross beat with these preset right here to make it sound more unique, and I also put the RC20 on top, together with another string layer, a bass and a flute melody. The sample sounds like this. To make it perfect, we rendering the sample, putting it into another mixer track and dragging it 2 semitones down and putting these plugin on top to detune it. This is the sample. Sounds hard already. For the drums you have to keep it super simple with a 2-step hi-hat pattern and a bouncy 808. For a beat switch up effect, I make these gross beat automation. I put a vocal from Future on top and this is what our trap beat is sounding like.
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automobile. Dropped $3 on the ring, cause it been the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granny, she was standing right there while I catch play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride that stick. Who gave you pills, who gave that dust, put on central in the lick.
Next we'll look at one of the most popular genres of the last few years, LOFI. It just has to sound very organic and real and create a certain feeling. For this I take a very real sounding piano and do a nostalgic chord progression. It's important that with LOFI you don't quantize your instruments, but pull them a little off the grid, to create that authentic vibe and bounce. Now I'm topping the whole thing with texture melodies that are supposed to fill the whole thing up. Here's Ease High Piano. I took a organic sounding bass and made a smooth bass line. And I also played something on my ukulele. The imperfection makes it better in my opinion. And now a simple beat that is also a bit off-grid. To perfect it, now I add percussion loops and textures and our LOFI beat should be ready. Okay guys, now we're doing another genre that I've never done on this channel before. We're making an epic film score track for films like Interstellar, Inception and more. The perfect instrument for this are strings. Now bass strings. Now I'm thinking of a very crystalline piano. A reverb vocal layer could also fit well. And last but not least, an oriental sounding sample, which makes the whole thing very epic. And our film score track is ready. Okay guys, feel free to say which genre you liked best and download these projects for free. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.